Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can turn your Android into iPod. Just like this, here you can see I can simply play my music in this one. I can even skip it and I can even increase and decrease the volume. So just like this, if you want to turn your Android into iPod, first of all you need to get to the Play Store. So in here you can see I am into my Play Store right now. And just like this, you'll need to install this particular application right here. You can simply just get to the search bar and start typing iPod music. After searching for it, here you'll get to see this particular application right here. So you can simply tap on it and simply install this on your phone. Currently here you can see I have already installed it. So after the installation, tap on open and you'll get this kind of iPod on your Android. So if you want to change the theme of it, you can even get to the menu bar right here. And from here, you can change the themes of it. Just like this, you can get the dark blue or bright gold or anything that you want. Here you can see I'm currently in the dark blue. And just like this, you'll be able to turn your Android into iPod. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.